Hey guys, I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect, and in this video I'll be unboxing and giving you a quick hands-on experience of the Amazon Echo Plus. So without further ado, let's get started. Opening the box, the first thing that we get is the Smart Echo Plus speaker. Then we have some documentation for the same, power adapter for the speaker, and that's it. Taking a look at the speaker, we have 7 microphones on top along with 4 buttons which are volume up, volume down, mute and action button. On the side we get 3 surround speakers. On the back we have power input and a 3.5mm headphone jack which can be used to connect another speaker to the Smart Echo Plus. It can be used in case you want to connect it with your hi-fi music system. On the bottom we have a tripod mount which makes it a little more versatile if someone is always on the go. Let us quickly set this up and see how it performs. So the Echo is good to go. It has been set up and you can see it for yourself. Like the other new Amazon Echo devices, this one too gets a fabric design which in my personal opinion looks far better and suits most furnishings. The new Echo Plus also gets a woofer upgrade which makes it sound even better than the previous generation Echo devices. The best part about this is that it now serves as smart hub and it works really well. You don't need to get a separate hub for controlling your smart devices, it is inbuilt. It also has an inbuilt temperature sensor which can be used to get daily temperature information and set your routine accordingly. There is also local voice control which stores commands locally for some commands for the situations when your Wi-Fi acts weird. Overall, in my personal opinion, it is a nice device which can now act like a smart hub as well, and it looks and feels quite nice as well. The sound quality is good and room filling. For a price of around 15,000 rupees, it is a smart speaker with very capable assistant Alexa. Alexa, play latest Bollywood hits.
Play new Bollywood music on Amazon Music.
It works gracefully with other Amazon services like Kindle, Amazon Music and Amazon Shopping. I'm leaving Best Buy links to this device in the description section where you can pick it up if you like it enough. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below, and for more such videos, stay subscribed. This is all we have on this video. Press the notification icon for latest video notifications. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Have a good day.